had to, my flip was full.
Hi.
Wanna pick another one up?
Come
here.
You gotta get down. Down. Down.
Easy, honey. You're gonna get full of dirt. She's good too.
Oh.
He likes you. Oh, you're a little clacker. You're a little clacky thing. Come here. Over to the fence. Over to this side.
Watch
the pen.
There.
Oh, he just pooped over there. I've seen that. Oh, they ran through it too. Come here. See? You want to see? Duchess, shush. They've been pooping ever since they got here.
No, it's
No?
our guys.
Our guys did?
Hi, Danny. Hi, big boy. Your dew claws are killing me.
Watch your face. Our guys are more interested in them than they are with our guys. Hi, honey. Now the noises are going off. He's the only one who's kind of freaked out. It's okay. It's all right. Come here. Come here. Oh, look. The baby. Yeah, good girl. Good boy. He seems to be the nicest with the baby. No, you are not getting down. Okay. She's the most taken back by little kids. He's not. Let me get this. Come here. Okay. They just want to eat you. They just want to eat you because you're like cookies and dirt. Grandma never left. Oh, careful. Look at them. They had no interest in a ball when they were up at the vet. They had no interest in any of that.
Why are you between my legs all the time? Huh?
He does like that.
Why are you doing that? What you doing? What you doing?
Look at the feet. I do want to take a picture of his back dew claws.
Yeah, they're horrible.
They're really bad. It's not on him though. He doesn't have rears. Does he?
Ouch. Easy.
Oh yeah, he does. Okay, I've got to show her these dew claws. These are awful. Okay, you might want to pick them up. These rear dews. Oh, you're going to get right in my face too. You're not going to. Yeah. The rear dews are very up. I have lots of noses in here. No, you cannot get down.
Here.
Okay, these are the rear. I don't know if you can see them hanging off. Oh, just keep getting noses.
We'll do them one at a time.
Yeah. You gotta get. He's being very puppy and not a.
Ouch.
He's very excited.
Here, take that. Take that.
But yeah, they have really floppy dews on the back. He does have a scrape or a scratch. I'm imagining that's from being in the hard kennel scraping and stuff like that. Yeah, I'm gonna go put her up.